In this deep dive comparison, we're pitting DJI's upcoming Mini 5 Pro against the already powerful Mini 4 Pro. Both drones travel under the 250G threshold, and both remain at the top of the compact drone game, but the real question: is the Mini 5 Pro a transformative leap forward, or just iterative polish? We'll explore camera capabilities, flight performance, battery endurance, AI enhancements, obstacle avoidance, and value, to help creators make the smartest choice in 2025's drone market. DJI Mini 4 Pro features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, supporting 48MP photos, 4K per 60 frames per second video, HDR color profiles, 10-bit D-Log-M, HLG, and vertical TrueShoot, all packed into a sub-249G form. Reviewers praise its well-rounded performance, noting excellent dynamic range, smooth HD transmission at 1080p/60 fps, and surprisingly strong low-light detail given its size. Mini 5 Pro, per leaks, brings a major upgrade, a full 1-inch CMOS sensor delivering richer textures, better low-light dynamic range, onboard 5.3K or 4K per 120 frames per second video, and newer D-Log workflows. This upgrade promises deeper contrast, finer resolution, and cinematic flexibility for drone filmmakers and aerial content creators. Redesigned optics and improved gimbal stabilization aim to rival larger drone systems, all while staying under 250G. The Mini 4 Pro delivers stable, responsive flying, even in winds of 24 to 25 miles per hour, thanks to its level 5 wind resistance and refined flight algorithms. With speeds up to 35.7 mph in sport mode and strong GPS hold, it's agile, reliable, and beginner-friendly. Omnidirectional sensing allows confident flight through tight spaces, perfect for dynamic tracking shots or scenic surveying. Mini 5 Pro rumors suggest streamlined airflow via vented motor housing, more aerodynamic arm design, and enhanced wind resistance. Improved flight control software is expected to deliver smoother cinematic pans, steadier hover, better precision in waypoint missions, and general flight reliability, even in marginal weather. Added phrase, aerodynamic cooling vents, aerial cinematography stability, wind-resistant compact drone. For the Mini 4 Pro, standard battery life is around 34 minutes, extendable to 45 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, though that pushes the drone slightly over 249G, which may trigger registration in some regions. Combined with 0.4 transmission, that gives creators long uninterrupted flight blocks. A Mini 5 Pro is rumored to reach up to 50 minutes of flight time, thanks to smarter power management, more efficient battery chemistry, and potential support for fast-charging hubs. This endurance boost matters for landscape tours, aerial inspection, travel shooting, and uninterrupted storytelling without constantly swapping batteries. The Mini 4 Pro has already raised the bar with ActiveTrack 360, true vertical shooting, master shots, hyperlapse, timed waypoint flights, and seamless quick transfer to light cut. Its robust obstacle avoidance and automated cinematic modes make it a favorite among content creators focusing on smooth aerial workflows. Mini 5 Pro looks to raise the stakes with rumored LiDAR-enhanced obstacle scanning, AI-driven flight intelligence, gesture-based activation, real-time subject recognition, and better auto-exposure. Precision landing with LED guidance, smarter active track, and auto-composition of shots could transform how creators build content. Imagine drone cinematography that adapts mid-flight, subject prediction, auto-editing, instant cloud sync, and direct social sharing. Mini 4 Pro's omnidirectional obstacle sensors paired with APS 5.0 let it detect and maneuver around obstacles, trees, poles, walls, with precision, making flights smoother and safer. The Mini 5 Pro rumor mill teases upgraded sensor modules including LiDAR support, improved object tracking, smarter return-to-home behaviors, and more intelligent navigation in cluttered environments. For complex aerial filming, think forest trails, architectural shoots, urban canyons. These sensor enhancements are a potential game-changer. Mini 4 Pro sports a foldable, compact chassis made from ultralight, durable plastic. Its purpose: built for travel, fitting in a jacket pocket. Though the materials feel slightly thin, most reviewers praise the build as dependable under normal use. Sneak leaks on Mini 5 Pro reveal refined placed propeller guards, vented motor housing for thermal cooling and airflow, and subtle silhouette changes to keep heft low. DJI appears to have prioritized enhanced sensing and durability without losing the ultra-portable footprint. The Mini 4 Pro debuted in September 2023, priced between $759 to $1,099 depending on bundle. Fly More combo includes extra batteries, filters, and accessories. Mini 5 Pro is rumored for summer 2025, with base pricing speculated at $849 to $999, and premium bundles possibly exceeding $1,200. That reflects bigger upgrades, larger sensor, AI systems, smart charging accessories. DJI is likely to maintain sub-250G classification while tapping into pro-level performance. If you need to shoot content this summer, for YouTube, TikTok, Reels, client work, travel documentation, the Mini 4 Pro delivers a superb balance of portability, pro features, and flight confidence with proven firmware and strong resale potential. If you're a filmmaker, power user, or planning complex aerial cinematography projects, and you can hold out a few months, the Mini 5 Pro's rumored upgrades in sensor, battery, AI and obstacle detection could offer a future-proof leap forward. 1.3-inch sensor with crisp 4K HDR, 48MP stills, 10-bit D-Log support, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance and active track 360. Sub-249G weight, widely travel legal, easy portability. 34-minute flight standard. 04 transmission up to 20 kilometers, stable 1080p feed, intelligent flight modes. Panorama, hyperlapse, master shots, limitations, low-light performance falls short of true night photography, battery plus pushes over 250G threshold. No LiDAR or advanced AI navigation, slightly plasticky feel. Less robust than larger DJI lines. Doesn't support 4K per 120 frames per second or 5K capture. Mini 5 Pro rumored highlights and caveats. Highlight features: 1-inch CMOS sensor, possible 48MP plus stills. 4K/120 FPS or up to 5.3K video at 30 frames per second. Improved gimbal stabilization. AI-powered tracking, gesture control, precise landing, auto composition. LiDAR sensor matrix for improved obstacle mapping. Up to 50 minutes flight, faster battery charging, support for DJI RC Pro 2 controller. Expanded transmission and signal stability, maintains ultralight weight and portability. Potential caveats: price premium over Mini 4 Pro, leaks are unconfirmed, features may shift, delay, or be scaled back. Sensor and LiDAR tech may be more safety-oriented than aggressive filming enhancement. Until launch, resale value of Mini 4 Pro may decline. Whether you're a casual traveler, beginning your channel, or a content pro, the DJI Mini 4 Pro remains a top performer in 2025. A polished, reliable, creative tool in a tiny package. That said, the Mini 5 Pro rumors paint a compelling portrait of next-gen aerial filmmaking: sensor upgrades, smarter AI, longer flight time, advanced obstacle avoidance, refined handling, and all, while preserving portability under 250G. Buy Mini 4 Pro now if you want proven film quality and immediate availability. Wait for Mini 5 Pro if your focus is cinematic versatility, automation, and future creativity, and you can hold out a few more months. If you already own Mini 3 Pro, the Mini 4 Pro adds full omnidirectional sensing and D-Log M. The Mini 5 Pro may not justify upgrade immediately unless low-light or AI features are critical. If you're a beginner, Mini 4 Pro offers a manageable on-ramp to serious drone work. Mini 5 Pro might be overkill and expensive if you just want to start capturing travel vlogs.